Imagine waking up each morning to a world where your money is actively working for you, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to see bills paid automatically, your savings steadily climbing, and your investments strategically optimized for maximum growth. All of this happening seamlessly, effortlessly, all on autopilot. This isn't some far-off dream or science fiction fantasy, this is the reality that's rapidly approaching. In 2025, AI makes it real, transforming the way we handle our finances. Imagine AI acting as your tireless, hyper-intelligent financial advisor, available 24/7 to guide you towards your financial goals. It's always on, constantly monitoring market trends, identifying opportunities, and always optimizing your portfolio for peak performance. This isn't about chasing fleeting trends or getting rich quick through risky schemes. It's about getting rich smart, building a solid, automated foundation for your money, and creating long-term, sustainable wealth. Picture a team of digital assistants, each specializing in a different aspect of your financial life. One diligently tracks your spending habits, identifying areas where you can save. Another automatically saves a portion of your income, ensuring you're consistently building your nest egg. A third pays your bills on time, every time, eliminating late fees and potential credit score damage. And a fourth intelligently invests your spare change, turning pennies into potential profits. Set it up once, customize it to your specific needs, and watch as your financial life seamlessly runs itself, freeing you from the daily grind of money management. The ultimate goal? Complete freedom from the stress of late fees, the anxiety of unpaid bills, and the wasted time spent manually managing your finances. With the power of AI, you can finally build that automated money machine you've always heard about, generating passive income and building wealth without constant effort. No more complicated spreadsheets, no more endless hours spent crunching numbers. Just simple, intuitive, and powerful apps you can download today, putting the control of your financial future right at your fingertips. By the end of this comprehensive guide, you'll have a clear and actionable roadmap, equipped with the knowledge and tools to set up your own fully automated financial system. It's time to take the first real concrete step toward a richer, easier, and more financially secure life. So, let's dive right in, explore the possibilities, and put your finances on autopilot once and for all. The future of money management is not just coming, it's already here, and it's waiting for you to embrace it. Most people's biggest financial problem isn't income. It's not about how much money you bring in each month. It's a deeper issue that affects people at all income levels. We often assume that earning more will solve our financial woes, but that's simply not the case for many. It's management. It's about how you handle the money you already have. Effective money management is the cornerstone of financial stability and growth. Without a solid system in place, even a substantial income can quickly disappear. You can earn six figures, a seemingly impressive amount, and still live paycheck to paycheck if your system is broken. If you're constantly struggling to make ends meet despite a high income, it's a clear sign that your financial system needs a serious overhaul. It's not about the quantity of money but the quality of your financial habits. Lifestyle inflation and forgotten expenses quietly drain your wealth. As your income increases, it's easy to fall into the trap of spending more, often on things you don't really need. These seemingly small leaks can quickly sink your financial ship. The real issue? No system. Without a clear plan for tracking, budgeting, and saving, your money is likely to slip through your fingers. A well-defined system provides structure and control over your finances. Small daily decisions, impulse buys, late fees, add up fast. These seemingly insignificant expenses can snowball into a major financial burden over time. It's crucial to be mindful of where your money is going, no matter how small the amount. We're emotional creatures, and emotions sabotage our finances. Stress, anxiety, and even happiness can lead to impulsive spending decisions that derail our financial goals. AI, on the other hand, is pure logic. It operates without the influence of emotions, making it an ideal tool for managing finances objectively. It keeps you on track no matter your mood. AI can consistently monitor your spending, identify areas for improvement, and ensure you stay aligned with your financial plan, regardless of your emotional state. It removes emotion from money decisions, sticking to your goals. By automating your financial processes with AI, you can eliminate the temptation to make impulsive choices and stay focused on achieving your long-term objectives. Think of all the bills and subscriptions you juggle each month. Keeping track of due dates, amounts, and payment methods can be overwhelming and prone to errors. One slip means fees and credit dings. A single missed payment can trigger a cascade of negative consequences, impacting your credit score and costing you money in late fees. It's not a character flaw, it's a flaw in the manual system we're taught. Traditional budgeting methods often rely on willpower and manual tracking, which can be difficult to maintain consistently. Humans aren't built to be perfect financial robots. We're prone to errors, forgetfulness, and emotional biases that can lead to poor financial decisions. AI is. AI systems are designed for precision and consistency, making them ideal for managing complex financial tasks. AI takes over the tedious, repetitive tasks, catching mistakes before they cost you. AI algorithms can identify errors and inconsistencies in your financial data, preventing costly mistakes and ensuring accuracy. It provides the discipline we lack, following the plan you set when you were thinking clearly. AI helps you stick to your financial plan, even when you're feeling tempted to deviate. Automate the boring stuff and free your mind for bigger goals. By automating your financial tasks, you can reclaim your time and energy to focus on what truly matters to you. Focus on earning more, finding new opportunities, and enjoying life. Work smarter, not harder, let technology handle the rest. That's the real secret to financial success. It's not just about earning a high income, it's about managing your money effectively and leveraging technology to automate your financial processes. Let's see how automation becomes your superpower. Let's explore the ways in which AI can transform your financial life and empower you to achieve your goals. Automation is your financial superpower. It makes your best decisions in advance. By automating savings and investments, you pay yourself first, every time. Consistency is key. Automatic transfers mean you never skip a month. Automation builds discipline into your financial DNA. It prevents late fees, curbs emotional spending, and ensures you never miss an investment opportunity. Compound growth needs time and consistency. Automation delivers both. AI-powered tools handle the details, giving you a real-time view of your finances. No more worrying about bills or lost money. Your time is freed up for what matters most: career, family, passions. Your financial system should support your life, not consume it. Automation makes that possible. Forget spreadsheets. AI budgeting apps are your new financial coaches. Cleo chats with you, tracks spending, and even roasts your habits to keep you engaged. YNAB gives every dollar a job, learning your patterns and categorizing transactions automatically. Monarch Money connects all your accounts, showing your net worth and tracking goals in real time. These apps turn raw data into actionable insights. Instead of just listing transactions, they highlight trends and suggest ways to save. Monarch might flag a spike in your bills. YNAB keeps you on budget. Cleo challenges you to spend less. They don't just track the past, they help you shape your financial future. With AI, budgeting becomes proactive, not reactive. Your money finally works for you. Saving money is hard unless it happens automatically. AI tools like Digit and Qapital make saving effortless. Digit analyzes your cash flow and moves small, safe amounts to savings. No overdrafts, no stress. Over time, these tiny transfers add up to real money. Qapital lets you set savings goals and rules like rounding up purchases or saving when you buy coffee. Saving becomes a background process tied to your daily life. The result? You build your savings muscle without feeling the pinch. Small, consistent actions lead to big results. Watch your savings grow almost without noticing. That's the magic of automated saving. Hidden costs, forgotten subscriptions, creeping bills quietly drain your budget. AI tools like Rocket Money scan your accounts, uncovering every recurring charge. See all your subscriptions in one place and cancel with a tap. Rocket Money handles the hassle. These tools also negotiate bills for you, finding better rates and saving you money. They only get paid if you save, so it's a win-win. Example: AI finds a cheaper internet plan, negotiates and saves you hundreds a year. Automating expense tracking plugs leaks in your financial boat. No drastic lifestyle changes, just stop overpaying for what you already use. This is the low-hanging fruit of personal finance. AI makes it effortless to save on bills and subscriptions. Keep more of your money automatically. Investing used to be exclusive. Now, AI makes it accessible to all. Robo advisors like Wealthfront Betterment and M1 Finance build and manage portfolios for you at low cost. Answer a few questions and the AI creates a personalized, diversified portfolio. Start with just a few $100s, no expertise needed. The AI monitors and rebalances your investments automatically. Advanced features like tax loss harvesting and custom portfolios are built in. Every deposit is invested according to your plan with zero effort. No more guesswork or emotional decisions, just disciplined, automated investing. Build long-term wealth the smart way. AI investing is for everyone, starting now. Your credit score shapes your financial life, loans, rates, even insurance. AI-powered services like Credit Karma and Experian make monitoring easy and free. Get real-time alerts for changes or suspicious activity, catching fraud early. Experian Boost can even raise your score by adding on-time utility and streaming payments. Banks use AI to spot fraud instantly, protecting your money 24/7. These tools are your first line of defense. Don't wait for a crisis, set up alerts and monitor your credit now. AI-driven security is essential financial hygiene. Protect your identity and your future. Stay safe, stay informed with AI. Ready to take control of your financial future? Here's your simple yet powerful 5-step action plan designed to put your finances on autopilot. This isn't about complex strategies or overwhelming changes, it's about setting up a system that works for you, automatically. First, pick your command center, the central hub where you'll monitor and manage your money. Download an AI budgeting app like Monarch. These apps use artificial intelligence to help you track your spending, identify areas where you can save, and provide personalized financial insights, or YNAB, or Cleo. Each offers a unique approach to budgeting, so explore them and find the one that best fits your style. Connect your accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, even investments, and just observe for a week. Let the app categorize your transactions and give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Second, automate your savings. This is the key to building wealth without even thinking about it. Use Digit or Qapital. Or if you prefer a more traditional approach, set up an automatic transfer to savings after payday. Schedule it like any other bill payment. Start small. Consistency matters more than amount. Even $25 a week adds up significantly over time. Third, start investing. Don't let the world of investing intimidate you. Sign up for a Robo advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront, answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and set up a recurring deposit. These platforms handle the investment decisions for you. Fourth, clean up and protect your financial health. Use Rocket Money to cancel unused subscriptions. Those forgotten monthly fees can really add up. And use Credit Karma to monitor your credit report and score. Set up alerts for unusual activity or changes to your credit report for real-time protection against fraud. Each step builds on the last, creating a powerful, automated system that works tirelessly in the background. Don't try to do everything at once, just start with step 1. Pick one app, connect your accounts, and observe. Every action, no matter how small, moves you closer to financial freedom and a more secure future. Soon your money will work for you, generating passive income and building wealth while you focus on the things you love. You'll have clarity on where your money is going, control over your spending, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on the right track. Your richer, easier life, filled with opportunity and financial security, is within reach. Take the first step today, you won't regret it. The future of your finances starts now, with a single simple action.